Hello, and welcome to a new tutorial by HIPAAsuite. In this tutorial, we will enable HTTPS on the RealTime server, as well as pointing a domain name to the server. We will start by getting a domain and a certificate. Then we will point said domain to the server we use to host the RealTime server. Once we're done, we will activate the SSL certificate. The example in this tutorial is using Namecheap SSL, but you can use any other provider. Your IT department can help you with this. When you've the certificate ready with a private key in it, we will bind that to the RealTime server. Change the addresses from localhost to said domain name and disable unsecure connection. Finally, we will adjust the endpoints in the checker to test the full cycle. On behalf of HIPAAsuite family, thank you for your interest in our products and looking forward to explain any points of interest in greater details and assisting you setting up any of our products.